here's the footage from this dash cam. I'll let you decide for yourself how you think it looks, but this is what you get straight from the SD card. Not only does it have this front camera, but it has a rear camera as well. This is super simple to set up. You basically just stick this to the windshield of your car, wrap the cord around, and then plug it in, and that's it, you're done. Now it does come with an app that you can download to view the footage from your phone or change some of the settings on this, but really you don't need to do any of that. You can just plug it in, put power in, and that's it, you're good to go. Here's a close-up look at the dash cam itself. It comes with this manual, and to view the footage on your phone you'll want to go ahead and install the OK Car app. It comes with this tool to help install the cabling along the edges of your car, a reset pin, clips to help you organize the cable, the USB-C cable that plugs into the cigarette lighter, and you can plug in an additional USB-A plug into that, and here is the rear camera. To mount the dash cam you'll just remove this adhesive and put that on your windshield, and you can slide this off if you need to remove the dash camera for any reason. One nice thing about this is it does come with an included TF card, 64 gigabytes, and this is what happens when you plug it into power.
Starting up, recording start.
It has a display that shows the time, whether or not Wi-Fi is on, microphone icon, and if you have a micro SD card or TF card inserted. This graphic indicates that we are currently recording. Hello. When you first start up the app, you can create an account or you can just skip. We'll go ahead and add a recorder. Go to the next step. Let's try the password 12345678. Now it recognizes the camera, and hey, that's pretty cool. It is working. Let's go ahead and plug in the rear camera. Now we have the split screen with the rear camera as the smaller. The rear camera is recording and working, as is the main camera. We can pause recording or resume. And then we can swap which cameras we want to show up. So if you only want the front camera, you can do that, or you can do only the rear camera. I do recommend that you set up your dash camera like I am doing before it's in the car, just because it's a lot easier. So let's go through some of the settings you'll want to set up before you ever install this in the car. Loop recording, I usually like that to be a bit longer, so we'll set that to 5 minutes. We can have the main camera record at 4K and the back camera at 1080p. Let's keep that. We'll keep all of the other settings as the default. We can also change the display here to be the speed unit, which I actually like. Let's go ahead and do. You can also set it as a time-lapse recording mode, and if you need to format the SD card, you can do that here.
Recording start.
One thing that makes this unique is if you look at the back here, you can see I've got an odometer, so I can see how fast I'm going on the dash cam. You can also change this to be the time if you would prefer to do that, but most dash cameras that are this thin don't have anything on the back, so that's kind of a nice extra touch. Alright, so this is where I installed the dash cam. A little bit low actually, but I did that just so I can see it. Then I've got the two cables coming across here, then going down the car, and the cable for the power I actually had to go under the mat because my 12 volt is all the way over here. I wish they made the cable just a little bit longer. And then the rear camera I have going along up top, and then you can see over there is where I have the rear camera up on top. I've got all the cables bundled up and kind of stuffed back there. This dash cam was sent to me so I could make this video. I'm just going to show you the footage from it and let you decide for yourself how good you think it looks, or if you think this would meet your needs. As far as setting it up goes, it's just as easy as can be. It's a really sleek design for a dash cam, and it does come with the app if you want to tweak the settings. Definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching.